Good morning, students. This is class 8 science, lesson 2, microorganisms. Today's topic is communicable diseases. We have learned that microbes are harmful. They are very useful as well as harmful. Harmful microbes causes diseases in human beings, plants and animals. Harmful microbes causes many diseases. Then what are communicable diseases? Communicable diseases, diseases that spread from an infected person to a healthy person is termed as communicable disease. Those disease which spread from an infected person to a healthy person is termed as communicable disease. So today's topic is communicable disease. We'll discuss about it. Let's see some pictures. So what are communicable disease? Diseases which spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food and physical contact are termed as communicable diseases. For example, tuberculosis, cholera, chickenpox, COVID-19 and common cold. These all are communicable diseases. See how these diseases spread. Men, animal, animals. Men, animals. See, direct contact, when we come in direct contact with an infected person, then indirect contact means through vectors. Vectors, what are vectors? Vectors are the carriers of these diseases. Vectors are the carriers of these diseases. So, by drinking dirty water and unclean or spoiled food may contain pathogens. When a healthy person consumes dirty water or spoiled food, the pathogens enter the body of the person and causes diseases. Those are certain animals carry these pathogens and spread the disease from one person to another. See the diagram, how fast these disease spread. This is infected person, this is infected person, and all these are healthy persons. So this disease is spreading from infected person to healthy person. See, transmission of communicable diseases through direct contact. When we shake hands, that is a direct contact. When we share clothes or utensils, or through vectors, that is, see, housefly, dog, and these or cockroach, these all are vectors. These all are vectors or carriers. They are vectors or carriers. They carry the disease carrying pathogen from one person to another, and this is how these communicable disease spread. Common example is malaria. Malaria is caused by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. The female mosquito is the carrier of the pathogen for malaria. It bites a person suffering from malaria and carries the pathogen from the blood of the infected person. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, the pathogen enters the body of the healthy person and spreads the disease in it. Communicable disease also spread with the help of air, with the help of hair. When a person coughs or sneezes, the sneeze or cough droplets contain these microbes, and when they enter a healthy person, the person gets infected. By water also, I've told before, by drinking unclean water, by eating uncovered food, by direct contact, these communicable diseases spread. So what are communicable diseases? I repeat once again. A disease which spread from a healthy person to from an infected person to a healthy person is termed as communicable disease. Thank you. Have a nice day.